Hey everybody, welcome back. So last time we left off, you guys saw that I had moved into a new house. You saw the 2-car garage, a little preview of that space, which will become my new studio. So obviously we've been just kind of unpacking and getting things cleaned up a bit, cleaning up and organizing that garage space in general. So I got these 2 workbenches from somebody in San Francisco. They were just getting rid of them, and so I was happy and lucky that I got to pick them up. And just putting them together was kind of fun. Those boards are very sturdy. They are going to be perfect for the extra workspace that we need. And then you could see I started building up these shelves, these storage shelves, actually also free from somebody around the neighborhood over here. They had actually taken everything apart, bundled it all together, and left it out for me to pick up. Some of the bars were bent, they were a little bit old, but I was able to bring them back to shape. And so they are very sturdy now. And I didn't count what I picked up until I started building it up. At first I thought we were building up 2 shelves, but it turned out we got a 3rd one. So that was super lucky, and all 3 of those laid out perfectly just along the wall there. I can get everything off the floors and onto those shelves. So the benches are done and the shelves are done, and let me show you guys what it looks like right now. Love this space. So first we got this bench right here. It's kind of just sitting in the way. That's gonna move somewhere, don't know yet. We got all the shelves, and it's starting to fill up pretty good too, actually. We're missing 1 shelf right on that end over there because they didn't have the board, and so I gotta go pick up something and add a board to that. Also, I got to bring my vintage Vespa over. It's a 1963. Super nice. Has nothing to do with stained glass. That has nothing to do with stained glass either. And we are here now on our side where I will be working out of. And we got that bench that we built up. I don't think it's gonna go there. I'm looking at that cabinet space right there, right below those cabinets. I feel like I could bring the stained glass cabinet and put it right underneath that, the orange cabinet that I have, and then get rid of those shelves, the white shelf, and just clear that space. Then you can see I kind of brought some more stuff over from the other studio. So I'm just bringing little boxes at a time. And I got this roller full of all the supplies and everything. So yeah, it's kind of coming together. Just gotta figure out where these things go. Pretty much gonna utilize all the space that we have and all the shelving. I don't think I have a problem with that. Just need to clean things up a bit. Guys, thank you so much for coming along with me, hanging out with me here on my move. And hopefully I can get all that stuff done really soon so I can get back to you guys and we can get back into doing some stained glass work. I just wanted to show you this real quick, but I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.